Some stories get told. This one you can feel under your boots.
Just put your foot on this ladder and don't look down. I'm scared, boss.
Deep under the Ozark Mountains lies a natural wonder, Marble Cave. Drop by drop, water has quietly carved this masterpiece. That is, until folks came chasing a fortune.
I'm telling you, we're gonna strike it rich, marble top to bottom.
There ain't no marble down there, just a bunch of back guano.
What in tarnations of guano?
And as it turned out, there was no marble to be found. Just a big old pile of you-know-what. But it was still worth good money if you were willing to put in the work. Out here, everyone knows, luck isn't found, it's forged.
Pack it up, ain't nothing left.
In 1889, the digging stopped for good, and the mine was boarded up. But Jed Campbell, he wasn't ready to quit. He's blazing a trail across the mountain to find a new way in, and he needs good folks like you to help find something shiny hidden deep in that cave. The Marble Cave Mining Company is rolling again. Coming to Silver Dollar City in 2027. Based on a true Ozark story. America's most legendary family coaster. Miners Mountain Express. Load up the whole family because the greatest discovery in the Ozarks is still out there. Get on board a real working mine train for a runaway adventure. More than half a mile of track and over 3 minutes of thrills. The longest family coaster in the Midwest. You'll be dodging boulders and soaring through the sky, flying clean through the station and dropping into a tunnel full of pesky bats. Miners Mountain Express is big enough for little ones and made for the whole family to ride side by side, climbing, diving, and zigzagging through the heart of the Ozarks. We'll be taking you up 2 different peaks for views that shine like gold. Then hold on for 15 weightless moments, the most of any ride at Silver Dollar City. With every twist and turn, families become storytellers, carrying forward the spirit of the folks who came before them and never gave up. Get ready to mine a legend of your own. Miners Mountain Express, the most daring ride down the mountain.
Riders, keep your lamps lit and your hopes high.
Only at America's #1 theme park, Silver Dollar City.